The driver of the white car exhibited distracted driving, failing to maintain focus on the road. The van's blind spot obscured the three-wheeler, illustrating why proper mirror checks are essential. Approximately 500 liters of fuel escaped from the truck's tank, highlighting the environmental and safety risks of fuel spills. This incident was caused solely by the red truck's failure to observe safe driving practices. When the three-wheeler lost stability, the white car responded quickly and maneuvered safely to avoid collision. The white SUV's behavior suggests the driver may be inexperienced and unfamiliar with traffic regulations. The vehicle approached the toll booth at excessive speed and did not apply its brakes in time. The unstable soil pile poses a collapse hazard, underscoring the importance of proper compaction and support measures. In this scenario, the black car became an unintended victim due to circumstances beyond its control. The crane's boom struck the car's roof unexpectedly, demonstrating the danger of operating heavy equipment near vehicles. During demolition of a compromised building in India, falling debris nearly endangered workers and machinery, highlighting critical safety oversights. Operators should reposition both wheel loaders to a safe distance from the advancing fire to prevent equipment damage and injury. A detached tire narrowly missed a bystander, underscoring the importance of securing tire assemblies and conducting regular inspections. The trailer uncoupled during transit and obstructed the towing vehicle, demonstrating the necessity of proper hitch inspections. The operator's exceptional skills emphasize the value of comprehensive training and expertise in vehicle handling. Removing the protective cover is required before operating the excavator to ensure proper mechanical function. After brake failure, the concrete mixer truck navigated through traffic, highlighting the critical need for regular brake maintenance. The white car's risky second maneuver resulted in collision, demonstrating the consequences of unsafe driving decisions. Crossing a solid center line during a turn led to the white car being rear-ended by a truck. The lead driver's unfamiliarity with traffic regulations contributed to a rear-end collision and resistance to law enforcement instructions. Excessive speed forced the green truck into an evasive swerve to avoid pedestrians and another vehicle, illustrating the importance of speed control. A sudden stop in the roadway left the following truck without sufficient stopping distance, reinforcing the need to reduce speed near intersections. Failure to verify clearances before merging caused a three-vehicle collision, placing liability on the merging driver. During a forklift tire repair, the inflated tire ruptured violently. High-pressure tires can explode like miniature bombs. Always maintain a safe distance and replace damaged tires immediately. When a lead truck slowed for ducks, the following truck's insufficient braking distance resulted in a collision, demonstrating the need for wildlife awareness and safe following distances. Loss of steering control caused the white car to collide with the truck, and the impact overturned the larger vehicle, illustrating mass shift dynamics in collisions. The red truck's inattention to decelerating traffic ahead created unsafe following distances and increased collision risk. to clear an intersection before a signal change prompted the motorcycle to accelerate, causing the truck to lose stability. Three heavy trucks became immobilized in saturated soil, underscoring the importance of assessing ground stability before entry. A rock slide struck both the blue truck and the trailing excavator. Fortunately, all personnel escaped unharmed, highlighting the value of establishing protective zones. Despite the operator's efforts, the mini cargo truck tipped due to an unstable center of gravity, demonstrating gravitational effects on vehicle stability. An unsafe overtaking maneuver resulted in a collision with a larger truck. Proper overtaking protocols are essential to avoid multi-vehicle incidents. Unsecured cargo, like an exposed iron bar in a pickup bed, poses a serious hazard to nearby pedestrians and vehicles. The black car executed a prohibited turn, violating traffic regulations and endangering other road users. A compact vehicle's abrupt lane change on an exit ramp forced a truck into the guardrail. Drivers should avoid sudden maneuvers and use subsequent exits to adjust routes safely. Operating with an unsecured rear cargo door is hazardous. Pre-departure safety checks are mandatory. A tire blowout during an overtaking maneuver caused the truck to lose control. Regular tire inspections are crucial. A severe cabin fire rendered the truck inoperative, underscoring the need for routine maintenance of electrical and fuel systems to prevent fires. Prolonged parking on muddy shoulders can lead to excessive mud accumulation, affecting vehicle performance and requiring thorough cleaning before operation. A tanker truck attempted to pass under a height restriction without verifying clearance, resulting in structural damage. Drivers must confirm vehicle dimensions before underpasses. A multi-vehicle collision involving 2 trucks and a car obstructed traffic flow and posed safety hazards. Prompt incident management is essential to restore normal operations. To mitigate slippery road conditions, the wheel loader operator used a grading attachment to cut traction grooves, enhancing stability for subsequent vehicles.